Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys this other mask hack on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, so you can either do the no face, but I'm just going to use custom makeup and use just the eye, and then I'm going to walk to the VIP section and I'm going to select the mask here. Select no feathers and color the mask the same as your skin tone, which I already saved here. Okay. Once you're done, you are going to add in this turtleneck. Cropped and turtleneck on, and I'm going to color it the same as my skin tone as well. And I'm going to use gloves as well for the hands here. No fur, and then color it the same as my skin tone. Lastly, we're just going to go to the skin color section, and you're going to change your skin color to make it like the color of your mask, like this. And that is it. So simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.